This week, we're staying in a brand new set of lakeside cottages in Wasilla. They literally just finished building them this fall, and spoiler, they are the coziest. But before I show you the inside, we're heading out to do some exploring. First at Hatcher Pass, and then, well, you'll see. Tyler.
Yeah.
What's this weekend?
It's my birthday tomorrow. Oh.
Tyler's actually not a huge birthday person, but I'd be really happy if all of you watching could go comment happy birthday. I think it'd be cute.
Yep.
He's ignoring me right now. Anyways, first things first, we're heading off to breakfast. We're gonna go do some adventures today. A huge perk of staying at the Stillwater Cottages is that unlike other cabins and stays in the Matsu Valley area, they're actually right off the main road in Wasilla, so everything is super close and convenient.
Our breakfast place is only 1.4 miles from our cabin, which is really, really nice.
We actually checked in last night, but it gets so dark so early that we didn't film anything. Instead, we went to Tyler's favorite restaurant here in Wasilla.
Tacos Cancun. If you're here on a Tuesday, they have like $2 tacos.
Since it's Tyler's birthday, he gets to choose everything we do this weekend.
I don't want to choose. I told Deborah she should choose. But first we're going to breakfast at Revive and Repeat. That was delicious. If you're in Wasilla and want avocado toast, delicious. They give it to you on a bagel with hummus.
Where's the next stop, birthday boy?
Hatcher Pass.
Now, we did make it up to Hatcher Pass. However, there was a lot more snow up there than there was in Wasilla. We ended up just driving around and enjoying the views and eventually making our way back towards town.
We're stopping at Matanuska Lake to go ice skating.
I don't know how to ice skate, so this might be kind of embarrassing. Once we got our skates on and said goodbye to our boots, we were off to explore Matanuska Lake. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm very nervous. There's a lot of people here. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it, Tyler was way better than I was, but I was pretty proud of myself for not falling. And the views were beautiful. Plus, the weather was perfect, and it ended up being an awesome day out on the wild ice. We weren't really there as long as I thought we were gonna be there. Tyler and I actually both thrifted our skates last winter, and this was our first time ever using them. I'm not sure how great they are though, because both of our feet were getting really, really sore, which is why we stopped kind of early. So if you have any skate recommendations, put them in the comments. I think we're gonna need some new ones. After making a quick stop for lunch, we've decided to come back to the cabin and do a little bonfire on the beach. Tyler's getting it ready right now, and I thought this would be the perfect time to show you guys the cabin. So I know I've said there are a lot of great things already about these cabins, the proximity to town, how they're right on the lake, but one of my favorite things is that there's actually one sauna for each cabin, so no one has to share it. That's the only place we've ever stayed where each cabin has their own sauna.
I gotta get our wood.
They actually pre-cut wood for us, which was really nice of them. Another thing is how thoughtfully they've created this entire space. So most places don't have a path leading to the sauna. They do. They also have two sides where you can sit on your private patio, enjoy the lake views. Even if there's someone next door, you would have no idea. Welcome inside. They've got a rug here for your shoes and a shoe mat. The first place you come into is the kitchen. We really haven't been doing much cooking during our stays lately, but this one has everything you need. Moving on, we've got this gigantic dining room table here. It fits 4. They've got the nice cozy living room area. They've got a fireplace, and then I also put the Yule log on to make it feel extra cozy. If you go past the kitchen and living room, then you'll find the 2 bedrooms here. There's a bathroom right in the middle. All 3 of the rooms are so nice and cozy, and there's so many fun, thoughtful touches. And this mirror is actually one of my favorite things. You can turn the light on and off, you can change the light, and you can even heat it up. They've got a side table and plug-in on both sides. If you've stayed somewhere in the past that doesn't have that, you know how nice that is. They have robes and flip-flops so that you can very comfortably use the sauna on site. All these cute little amenities, plus the shades for all the windows at night, the yummy hot chocolate they included, and even a fireplace that changes colors. Very last stop, of course, we have the amazing view overlooking Lake Lucille. All right, let's go check on Tyler. How's it going?
Let's see. I just got some birch bark, so it's going good right now.
Oh.
So while the fire is kind of almost done, we had a nice afternoon enjoying it. It's only like 3 o'clock.
It's only 3 o'clock and the sun's going down. I just want to point that out right now. Yeah, okay.
It feels like I should be eating dinner, but realistically in like 3 hours. But we're gonna have a sauna. Well, we watch the sunset. I'm gonna get it started because it said it takes about 20 minutes to get hot. So I'm gonna get started while I finish the fire, put the fire out, and then we should be able to go in the sauna.
Show us how it's done, Tyler.
I just read it last night, so I'm not quite sure, but we'll see. The farther it goes around in a circle, it says the longer it lasts. So we'll see how long and we'll see how hot it gets. They have a nice path for us.
That's nice.
It's a cute little sauna.
Yeah, it is.
It's really nice.
The birthday boy's happy.
I like saunas. You can just sit here.
Enjoy the view. It is like right at sunset right now. It's really pretty. Good morning. I thought since Tyler's in the shower right now and it's officially his birthday, I'd surprise him with a little coffee by the time he gets out. Last night, we ended up going to this really nice local Asian restaurant called Basil and Ginger. It was really good. We got some nice sushi rolls. Tyler got some Mongolian beef. It was pretty tasty. And then we ended up just spending the entire rest of our night watching some movies and playing some cards. It was really nice, really cozy. I got you coffee.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You don't have any clothes on, do you?
No.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Unfortunately, it's time for us to check out. But before we end this video, we have one more stop to make here in Wasilla. Okay. Goodbye, cabin.
Goodbye, cabin.
Happy birthday, Tyler.
Thank you. Hi. I will do the maple bacon.
Maple bacon. And I'm gonna do the California Dreamin'. California Dreamin'?
Yep. Which one did you get?
The
wow.
giant one. What the? It's so pretty.
Oh my gosh, this looks delicious.
This might be our new favorite bagel place.
Yeah,
I gotta take a photo. Can you hold yours?
I almost ate it.
While we enjoy breakfast, make sure to go like and comment and do all the things, and we'll see you next time.
And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye. And wish Tyler a happy birthday.